Hello children, this is Monica Singh and our today's topic is from English Literature book, unit number 5, poem Zoo Manners. Children, before starting the poem, do you know what is a zoo? Zoo is an area in which animals, especially wild animals, are kept so that people can go and look at them or study them. We can see different animals like rhino, lion, panda, bear, elephant, tiger, crocodile and camel in the zoo. Now let us see what are zoo manners. Do not enter animals' closure. We should not go close to the animals. Do not feed animal. You should not give anything to eat to any animal. Do not tease them. You should not tease any animal in the zoo. Do not play music. You should not play any music in the zoo. Do not disturb the environment. You should not disturb the environment present in the zoo like plucking flowers or leaves. Do not eat inside. We should not eat anything inside the zoo. Now let us recite the poem.
Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's harm. He is very proud of his noble bump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting round the lake can understand remarks you make. Can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you'll always be welcome at the zoo. And you'll always be welcome at the zoo.
Now let's read the poem. Unit 5, Zoo Manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. We should be very careful whatever we say or whatever we do whenever we are going to visit at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. We should not make fun of the camel's hump as he is very proud of it. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. We should not laugh at chimpanzee as he also thinks that he is as intelligent as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. And the penguins strutting means walking in a proud way. Penguins who are walking in a proud way around the lake can understand our words, whatever we are saying to them. Treat them as well as they do you, and you'll always be welcome at the zoo. We should always treat animals like they treat us. Thank you.